Hello YouTube, it's back with episode 4 of how to make your own bucket plugin tutorial. Um, Today we'll actually just be mostly touching up on some previous plugins. So like in the heal command, what we're going to do is in here so we're going to send the player some messages saying that they have been healed. And we're also going to be adding chat color in here. So it's chat color, both capital C's, dot, and then you can use whatever color you want, but I'm using green. You have been healed. And then in args1, we're going to do p dot send message chat color dot green plus you have healed plus arg0. So this would be getting the target's name, and then target dot send message. Which one that did lowercase? Yeah. Target dot send message. Oh wait, I forgot to put this under this. Target dot send message. There we go. Send message chat color dot green plus you have been healed by plus p dot get name. There, so we just added some lines of code to heal command. Now we're going to go to the TP command, and then I forgot to do something earlier with this, so I'm really sorry about that, but in here we're actually going to put if args.length equals 1, not 1, 0, p dot send message chat color dot red plus incorrect usage plus chat color dot aqua plus usage TP name. There. Next we have to do is have to add if args.length equals 1. This is what I forgot to add. So if you guys tried using the teleport command, then it's gonna be wrong. So actually let's also add one more. If args.length is above 2, p dot send message, and then I'm just gonna copy it up here, put it down here. There. Then also I'm going to use that copy for this one too. So now it's going to be if args.length equals 0, p dot send message, copy and paste, lowercase at s, and then in here it's going to be TP here and not TP. And then we're going to tab this over and do if args.length equals 1, and then if args.length is above 2. P dot send message and save that. You can click Control S to save, or click to save. So I usually do Control S. Okay, so next is going to be the unvanish. What we're going to do is p dot send message chat color dot gold plus, to import it this time, you have been unvanished. And then we're also going to add an if p dot has potion effect type dot invisibility p dot remove potion effect type dot invisibility. So what's going to do is if the player does the command unvanish and they have the effect and they have the potion effect invisibility, then it's going to remove it from them, and that's going to come in handy in the next vanish. So in here we're going to do p dot send message chat color dot gold plus you have been vanished. Okay, and then p dot add potion effect. New potion effect. Potion effect type. Type dot invisibility 99992. And then we have to import potion effect. So there, we just went and touched up on some of the plugins. Oh, that was weird. Just moved my screen by accident. There we go. Okay. So we don't really have time for another thing. I'm sorry about that, but I'll try to hurry up and make one more new thing real quick. It's not going to be a command, it's going to be a player join event. So we're just going to make a new Java class and just call it player join.java. And then the package, and then public class player join implements listener. This is something we can actually add listeners to Minecraft. So like this first one will be a player join event. So at event handler public void on join player join event e. There, now I'm going to import that and import that. And that's there. So if so player p equals e dot get player and then what we're going to do is p dot send message actually what we're going to do is if p dot has played before, so we're going to add it. So now what we're saying is, so this just makes it like a opposite. So this is saying that if they've not played before, p dot send message chat color dot, let's make a light purple plus welcome to the server, and then else p dot send message chat color dot light purple plus welcome back player. Now this else is saying that like if they have played before, since it's an else, then as it just sends a message welcome back player. Now I'm going to add one more thing to here, and also what we're going to do is we're going to do register events. So down here we're going to do public void register events plugin manager PM equals bukkit dot get server dot get plugin manager, and then the PM dot register events new player join this. So now what we just did here is we just made it that it's gonna register it's gonna register the player join event since the player join, since it implements listener, there it is. Since it implements listener, it's going to register and read everything in here. And if we didn't have the event handler, then it wouldn't have read this. Since the event, because we can make this, if we made an API, we could put like the public void player join, and then we could also do the player join event e. But now this is reading it as I didn't even get it. And now I'll just do player chat event. But now it's just making it. Oh, that's decaprated. Okay, we'll look back at that here pretty soon. So what I just did is I made basically I made an API since there's no add event handler. And yes, later on we will be making stuff with API. It'll be kind of cool. So I'm going to save that, and now we just registered this. So now what I'm going to do is refresh this and export it as my essentials. That's the name I've been calling it. Then I pull up my Minecraft now. Also pull up my server. Since stuff is now working, I'm now going to start using it. Just let that run in the background there and join my server. And now what I'm going to do is, so yep, see, it said welcome back player because it knew that I've already played before. But you can't. I forgot how you really can delete players from your server, but I know that Essentials has player files. But yeah. So if you were a new player, then it would say welcome to the server player. But now if you are not a new player, then it would say the welcome back player. Where's my spawn at? Ah, my beautiful spawn. Now eventually, if I can get, this is awesome. Okay, so if I can get 200 subscribers, then I'll show you guys how to make this plugin. That right there is a wasted pop plugin. Not wasted. That right there was the Shopo pop plugin. It is a custom plugin, and if I can get 200 subscribers, then I will show you guys how to make that. Up next, so next episode, I'm actually planning on doing some more with the events, player events, like if they right-click with certain items, like this item, I can right-click and you guys see that I actually do open up something. But I have, like this is actually a old version of the plugin. I actually have a newer one right here, and it's not open to the public yet because we're still working on it. Server Minecraft 101. Here's actually the newer version. If I right click, I can actually open up all this stuff, and so here's like the credits. This is actually being developed by me and Miner Phil. I'm the lead developer. He is a developer. He is a tester and the leader of the project. MineTurtle is also a tester, and DemonFire is a tester. But this one also has our player info, and we will get into stuff like this later on down the road. And this is a I made this using player files. It shows your rank and how much crowns, gold, and arena tickets you have. Also, this shows your inventory because we're actually going to be making it where you cannot click E to open up your inventory. It shows your spell deck so far, and this will here soon hold all of your spells. And then we're also gonna we also have a world map. All this stuff is just gonna show the map, and there are players because well there are players because they're actually down here. Well, they should be around here somewhere. Okay. Also, why is there a horse? Okay, well he has a horse. I might delete that horse later on. But yeah, like this right here is actually the event that we'll be getting into, is right-clicking objects to open them, or left-clicking them. And then later on the road, we'll get into making inventories and making clickable inventories like this one is. It's like also what works is we don't have settings yet, but we do have stores. And these stores, oh yeah, and these stores are you actually use to he broke the letterings again, to actually buy stuff. But later on down the road, we'll be hopefully not next episode, but the next episode after that, we'll be getting into configs and player files like I do in Wizard 101. So yeah, that's actually all that I've got to say. So this is Turtle signing off. See you guys later. This was our fourth episode.